Was habt ihr da bekommen? What did you get for Christmas? A dollhouse? Can you show me what's in the dollhouse?
Die schlafen schon. Die schlafen hier.
Emma, can you show me? Can you show me so we can show Grandma and Auntie Jen? Well, come show me. I can't see. Bring it up here.
Mia, come a little bit away.
Show me the doll.
Look at all the dolls.
Wow. And what else is in the house?
And stroller.
Stroller.